Hi all, it's Eileen over at On Time Bookkeeping. I just want to show you a quick way of combining different payments that you've received from your customers into one deposit. As most banks do, you might go to the bank one day with multiple payments from your customers, multiple checks, cash, whatever, and you deposit it into the account and it's one lump sum deposit number. So this method of creating a deposit within QuickBooks will allow you to match that in your bank feed. So first of all, we're going to go to New. Under Other, you're going to create a bank deposit. And here we're going to deposit it to our checking account, and I'm going to do it on the 10th of the month. Now I have several payments listed in here. This is the sample company, so we have a lot of options, but if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I did 3 separate payments, and one was for 2 cool cards. It was cash of $50 and 2 checks to Red Rock Diner and one for sushi. So my total deposits here is $200. And that will be everything in here. Now, best practice would be ideally to put a copy of those checks in as an attachment. QuickBooks allows you to store files so that all of your documentation is in here. There's never any question about what was included in that deposit. You could also, when you were recording that payment, include a copy of the check directly into the payment screen. That is great for documentation. We shouldn't always rely on the banks to provide that documentation for us. If there's ever an audit, you need to be able to justify what money goes into the bank and who it was from. Anyway, that's your bank deposit. So that we will save and close. And then on my banking screen, when you see it come through the bank account, you can see that I do have a deposit. This is the 19th, but I do have a deposit for $200, excuse me, and it automatically matches to the deposit that I have on record. So you can see that my deposit screen had my 3 checks. And I'll close it, and that way I can just simply match. Thanks very much. I hope that helped.